Alright, I'm gonna place this one on the back slope for Mrs. Kim. Shit. Goddamn hornet flying up. These shingles are very brittle. Barely lifting the shingle, just enough to get the nail. And you can hear the granules just falling off. Trying to be as gentle as I can, but the mat is so thin. See? Huh? Yeah, the shingles are real stuck on there. But roof in bad shape. You can see that I removed the shingle. Alright. I'll put it back. By just removing the shingles and got a little damage. Barely lifting the shingle, just to nail this in. You can see that crease, that crease, that crease, that crease. By me trying to even lift this up, and it damaged that. You can see right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that crease, back slope failed.